opportunity to visit with Brad, and he is the crafter of these stone pots. I just painted a sign for him. Let me show you the sign. And this is his sign. He's going to be at the Butte Farmers Market this summer. And
hi everybody, I'm Brad.
And I don't want to disturb him too much. He's in the middle of creating one of his pots, but his studio is amazing. And look at all these beautiful pots. And yes, they are going to be available for sale up in Butte. I absolutely just love them. And just to give you a little history on Brad, he was a stonemason for 30 years.
See that big one over there? That's the new rock I got.
Oh.
It's some kind of rose quartz.
Look at that beautiful rock.
It sparkles.
Oh, that's cool. You might have remembered him from a long time ago. He used to make these welcome signs. I know there's still a lot of them around town. But anyway, Brad was a stonemason, not just a normal stonemason, but he did really artistic type stonework, chimneys, walkways, fences, houses, all kinds of stuff. And as with all stonemasons, their backs go out. So now...
Stonemasons know everything. It's a joke I got. That's it.
That's it. Oh, they know everything. So now, from boulders, I mean, some rocks he used were like 10 feet tall, to rocks. Just rocks.
Like the doctors.
Yeah. But anyway, I'm just making this quick video so you can see the production area. Pretty cool. It's got a lot of great product. Oh, there's a few more inside. I'll get a couple other shots.